I'm telling you, this one time there was a rabbit who lived in a backyard garden. And the rabbit was so strong because he ate all the iron-rich vegetables, like the spinach and the kale and the beets. One day he was walking past the fence post and he got stuck. The other animals were laughing at him. So he shouted, "I knew I was full of strength, but this is attraction." And you know what? Some vegetables really are high in iron, and magnets can attract pure iron. Not from food, of course, but from the earth. This is a real first-world problem. You don't see many rabbits getting stuck on fence posts anymore because they're not eating enough iron-rich foods. What are some of your favorite iron-rich foods? Let me know in the comments below.